Welcome back, dear friends. If you're over 60, this message is especially for you. Today, we're going to talk about something many people tend to overlook: habits like smoking, drinking alcohol, or using certain stimulants. These might seem harmless when done occasionally or over many years, but the truth is, they can quietly damage your blood vessels, increasing your risk of stroke, heart problems, and more, especially as we get older. Now, I want you to know, this video isn't about judgment. It's about awareness and care. It's a heartfelt conversation, like one you might have with a trusted family doctor. Our goal here is to give you clear, easy to understand information that can truly protect your health. Let's begin with smoking. Many older adults picked up this habit decades ago, when people weren't fully aware of its dangers. But now, research is clear. Even just a few cigarettes a day can damage the lining of your arteries, reduce oxygen levels in your blood, and make your heart work harder. Imagine your blood vessels as garden hoses. Over time, the chemicals in cigarette smoke make those hoses stiff, narrow, and prone to clogs. For someone over 60, whose vessels are already aging, the risk becomes even greater. Next is alcohol. Some people believe a small drink a day is good for the heart. And while moderate wine consumption may help in some younger, healthy adults, the story is different for seniors. As we age, our liver and kidneys slow down, making it harder to process alcohol. Too much drinking can raise blood pressure, increase heart rhythm problems, weaken blood vessel walls, and even interfere with medications. If you take medicine for blood pressure, diabetes, or cholesterol, alcohol might reduce their effect or create side effects you weren't expecting. And then there are stimulants. That doesn't just mean illegal drugs. It includes over-the-counter pain medications or energy drinks that many seniors use to cope with fatigue or pain. Some of these substances can raise your heart rate, constrict blood vessels, or cause blood pressure spikes. When your vascular system is already more fragile with age, even a small disturbance can have serious effects. You see, the damage from these habits doesn't happen overnight. It builds slowly, silently, and often without symptoms until one day a stroke, a heart attack, or a sudden drop in blood pressure occurs. But here's the hopeful part: it's never too late to make a change. Studies have shown that even after years of smoking or drinking, quitting or cutting back can still improve circulation and reduce your risk of serious complications. So what can you do? Start small. If you smoke, talk to your doctor about support to help you quit. If you drink regularly, consider reducing the amount, especially if you're already taking medications. And avoid overusing stimulants, including those that seem harmless, like caffeine pills or certain pain relievers. Your blood vessels will thank you for it. Before we end, let me remind you, your health matters. Your life, your energy, your presence, they are all incredibly valuable. And taking care of your blood vessels is one of the best gifts you can give your body as you age. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider giving it a like, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. It helps us reach more older adults who need this kind of support. We're here every week with simple, trustworthy advice to help you stay healthy, strong, and informed. Thank you for watching, and take good care of yourself. You deserve it.